Hey you guys, we were sent over some products from Reagan Sanai to test on Milan's hair. I must say that I absolutely loved it. The Moisturizing Black Soap Shampoo is sulfate free and great for all hair types. The Avocado and Banana Deep Conditioner is infused with organic honey, green tea, and coconut milk. I just let this bad boy marinate for a good 15 minutes on low heat. I felt that not only did these products make Milan's hair feel amazing, but it smelled amazing as well. She is such a silly goose. You guys, you absolutely have to try these products. Head over to Reagan Sanai, let them know that Milan sent you, and I promise you will not be disappointed.